But I'm in so deep. You know I'm such a fool for you. You've got me wrapped around your finger. Do you have to let it linger? Do you have to? Do you have to? Do you have to let it linger? Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you how to play Linger by the Cranberries. This was a song that was requested not on my channel, but someone else has requested it that is an avid watcher. So I thought I would oblige. Alright, so please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. And let me know if you have any questions. Alright, so let's get into this. Standard tuning, no capo on there. You guys know I love that. Yeah, so it's a great song. So you're only going to use 4 chords for this. I'm actually going to try and make this a really short video so you can just take it and go. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with the D chord, okay? And you're going to start the intro, is you're just plucking the strings that you're holding down with that D chord, okay? Right there. All right, so you're doing just like that, okay? You're going to do 2, 3, 2. You're going to start with the G string, G, B, E, G, B, E, G, B, E, G, B, E. Okay, that's what you're gonna do. Now you're just gonna keep plucking those 3 notes, okay? But what you're gonna do is, those 3 strings, but after you do it 4 times, so you do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then you're gonna lift off your pointer finger. So then the G string is going to be open, okay? Then put it back down and start over. Okay, so you're going to do 1, 2, sorry, I'm counting that wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. 2, 3, 4. Down again, and then start over. 1. And you're going to do that whole thing. So the 2, 3, 2, and then open 3, 2. You're going to do that 4 times, okay? So that's a couple times of 4, right? You're going to do 2, 3, the regular D 4 times. Then you're going to do the pointer finger open 4 times. And then that as a whole, you're going to do 4 times, okay? I hope that's not too confusing, all right? Then as you go into it, you're going to start doing, it's kind of like, you can do A6. That's what you're supposed to do, okay? A6 is a little bit hard for some people, so I'm going to show you an easier way to do it. You just don't use your pinky, but A6 is going to be your 2 fingers like that. So you're putting your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the G string, and your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the B string, and then you put your pinky, okay, on the 4th fret on the D string. All right. Now you don't have to put your pinky down if it's too hard. Okay, then you're also going to use C and G and C add 9. Okay, C add 9 is just like that. So you put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string, middle finger goes on the 3rd fret on the A string, and your pointer finger, all right, goes like that, goes on the 2nd fret on the D string. All right, so now let's get into this. So the way that you're going to do that is you're going to do that D. I'm playing it too fast, but you do that, okay, this whole thing, and then after you do it those 4 times, then you're going to start doing that A6. I'm just, for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to do it like this, all right, just for this video. So you're going to do, all right, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's the strumming pattern for the song. For the entire song, okay? You're just gonna do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. I'm gonna show you slower. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Just like that, okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. All right. You always do that kind of like down, down, up, down, up, down. You give it kind of like a hit, and you pause for just a split second, okay? And then you do that. So you do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, and just like that. Down, down, up, okay, just like that. Now you're gonna do that A6, then C, you can do C or C add 9, but I'll just do C add 9. C, add 9, and then G. That's a very easy transition, okay? So you're gonna do transition, when you're transitioning from that D chord of the plucking at the beginning, you're gonna do the A6, C add 9, all right, and G. Okay, and then you're gonna go, when you go into the verse, you're gonna go back to D and just do the strumming there. If you could return. Okay, so you're just gonna do that. You're gonna do, and I know I got the melody all mixed up on that and stuff, doesn't matter right here, okay? So you're gonna do if you, and then you're gonna do D. If you could return, don't let it, all right? Don't let it burn. Burn is where you're gonna go to A6, burn. Don't let it fade. I'm sure I'm not being rude. Okay, being rude is where you're gonna do C add 9, being rude. But it's just your attitude. It's tearing me apart. Apart is where you go to G, okay? Apart. It's ruining everything. And I swore is where you go to D again, okay? I swore I would be true. And honey, so did you. Okay, you is A6, you. Okay, so why were you holding her hand? Her hand is going to be kind of like at the end of hand is where you're going to see add 9. Hand. Is that the way we stand? Were you lying all the time? Time is G. Time. Was it just a game to you? Okay. You're going to keep playing G through. Was it just a game to you? But I'm in. Okay. But I'm in so deep. You can do it on in or I'm in, but like I'm in, but I'm in so deep. You know I'm such a fool. Okay, so you're gonna do D, you're gonna do that same strumming pattern, okay? And you're actually gonna do, I think it's the same chord progression, you're gonna do D, so but I'm in is D, in so deep. You know I'm such a fool. Okay, fool is A6, fool for you. Okay, you're gonna keep doing that. You've got me wrapped around your finger. Finger is C add 9. Finger. Do you have to let it linger? Okay, linger is G. Linger. Do you have to? Do you have to? Do you have to let it linger? Okay, linger is D. Linger. So what I would do on this song, I would play the verses a little bit softer, and an easy way to do that, and I've said this in other videos, but it's just play the bottom 3 strings, okay? So just do, or the bottom 4 if you want to include the D string, okay? Like, but don't play all of them, all right? And then you can do that, and that'll help you play it softer, and it won't be like as loud or boomy, all right? And then when you play the chorus, you can do it a little bit louder. This song never gets super loud, so I wouldn't play it super loud, but you can do, but I'm in so deep. This is for the chorus. You know I'm such a fool for you. You've got me wrapped around your finger. Do you have to let it linger? Do you have to? Do you have to? Do you have to let it linger? Okay, and then after this, we're going to go to the second verse, and you're going to go from that D that we're using at linger, you're just going to go to A6. Oh, I thought the world of you. Okay, so you're going to do A6, C add 9, G, and go to D again. So the whole song is D, A, C add 9, G. The whole song, other than the intro and the ending, okay? Now, when you're doing the last chorus, you're going to do you have to let it linger? All right, then what you can do is you're going to go pick again. I'm just using my fingers. I think it's easier that way, but use a pick if you want to. Now you're going to do the opposite picking of what you did before. So you're going to do 2. You're going to start with the G string, 2. Then you're going to go with a little E, and then the B. All right, so you're going to go, and you're going to keep doing that. All right, and you do that 4 times. And then you're going to go to open on the G string again, okay? But you're only going to do that twice, okay? And then at the end, you can just go. or like something like that. Anyway, that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been fun. See you next time.